random and non-scripted because I'm going to share specific things with you that made me more intelligent than my friends, because today I just got result of my college and I am a casual student. I don't go to college often, once a month as my teacher says, and I just got the result of my exam and I got passed with more than average marks. I know it's not good, I'm not a topper, but more than average, and I'm happy with that. So I'm gonna share with you that how am I handling content creation, Instagram, YouTube, self-improvement, journaling, meditation, reading, and my college. Okay, so the thing is very simple. I know what I am doing. For example, you can see at the back I have like pasted some photos. This is what my dream life must look like, and what wherever I am living right now, this is not somewhere I want to live for my whole life. Yeah, I love the comfort here, I love people here, obviously my family, but the point is I am on this planet earth for something great. I have to help a lot of people. I want people to have confidence in themselves, and if I have to do this, if I have to help 100 of people, I cannot do it from home. Like I can do it from home literally, but not from the like home like you are doing nothing and you are just there and comfortable with your life and you are not doing any single thing in your life. So yeah, I am trying to get better and have everything that is on the vision board. But for this, what you have to do, you have to learn about manifestation, you have to learn about meditation, you have to learn about how things work, you have to learn about how you be using your hand gestures while making your video. You should know that how your words are being like pronounced, or how's your style, and you don't have to overthink about it. One by one I'm gonna share everything with you. Okay, this is very non-scripted video. So let's start with first thing is that the content creation. Okay, content creation is not the first thing. I want to start with how I changed my mindset from being a girl who was helpless, from being a girl who always thought that I don't deserve a better life, I am supposed to live a normal life. So I changed that mindset with watching a lot of content, self-help content, and from there I got to know, okay, I have a chance. Even I saw that I just have 10% chance, I have a chance. So I gave myself permission to learn more about it. For example, if I talk about self-improvement with the random girl in my college, they will say, okay, I will look upon it, but they love their normal life, that whatever life they are living right now. They are not looking at the chance of earning money online, of helping a lot of people, of being independent, being being free. They are not looking at the chance. Okay, they are just happy with their normal life, and they say that, okay, my destiny is somewhere, it is written somewhere, I'm just gonna live it. I just believe in God, he is gonna do everything, I don't have to do anything, any single thing. So that is what the mindset of a normal girl. But what changed in me, even though I am just a normal girl, yeah, better than them, what changed in me, I just saw that I can have a life, I can have a better life. So I watched a lot of YouTube videos and they told me that you gotta make a routine that I never made, maybe I never followed, maybe whatever happened. So they told me you gotta make a routine, you gotta read a lot of books, you gotta consume a lot, you gotta make your mindset better, you gotta exercise, you gotta drink more water, all of the self-improvement things, right? So I started off with exercise, because if you start with your mentality, exercise, diet, skincare, everything, you can't do this. You have to start with one single thing. So my thing was exercise. What you can do it, maybe it's different for you. You can start with painting, doing the thing that maybe it's meditation for you. You can start with the exercise as always. You can start with journaling, you can start with meditation, you can start with anything. So I started my things off with exercise. So what happened next was, when I exercised, I felt better. And for example, I did exercise this day, I felt better the whole day. I did exercise second day, but the third day when I missed it, when I skipped it, I felt bad, like not good. So I was like, how the exercise is impacting my mood, how the exercise is impacting my feelings. So I search about it. Then obviously they will say when you exercise, your blood will flow and you feel better because you are getting proper blood flow in your brain, right? But the point is, when I was searching about that, what I got to know that like step by step. Okay, exercise left behind, and what I got into feelings and emotions, like how feelings and emotions get changed with your environment. So then I got to know that if I want to feel better and want to have my dream life, then I gotta consume some of the manifestation stuff. So then I bought my first book, that was The Secret. I didn't know, I didn't get anything from that book, but it was just a start point. So then I watched a lot of more YouTube videos. Then I have this knowledge that if you want to manifest from a state of relaxation, because that is what theta wave is. Okay, I will make a detailed video. If you want to you can comment down. And the next thing is, when I want to be intelligent, when I want myself to work more, I always go back to my dream life and I see, okay, this is what Gurleen is going. For example, right now, if I have to make video or if I don't have to make video, there are two chances. Then I will ask my future self, would I be making this video right now? And she will be like, yes, because this is going to be your routine, this is going to be a habit. Your people gonna wait for you that you post a video and they watch your video, so they can feel that someone is there giving them advice, someone is there who can who is just reflecting themselves. And for example, I am 21 and if you're 21 too, and you're just a girl, normal middle class financially, just like me, you will feel that something is connected within us, and if she can do it, I can do it too. Yeah. And she's like, okay, yes, you have to make the video. So right now I'm making video. And the next thing I would do is I read a lot of books. For example, I have the Daily Stoic, I have the Discourage to Build This, like I have Breaking the Habit of Being Yourself, books on manifestation, and even I love reading novels, even I love reading fictional, non-fictional. Yeah, I have a lot of books. And the other thing, if you want to be intelligent, is don't give a don't care about people. Okay, you don't have to care about people. If they are jealous with you, let them be. You don't have to react. Don't react. When you react, your peace of mind will get disturbed. Don't react. If they are I don't know, if they are trying to manipulate you, learn about manipulation. Yeah, you don't have to be a victim. Learn about manipulation. You have Google, you have YouTube. And then if they are trying to fill their own cup of love, and they don't have self-love for themselves, and they are trying to take your energy and put that energy in their cup, you gotta learn that too. How you can learn this? So for example, if you meet this person, if you feel energetic after leaving that person, that means you both are balanced. And if you feel drained after meeting that person, that means you are draining your energy by meeting that person, because your self-love, the thing that you have within yourself, is being poured to their cup, their empty cup. But what should be the thing? The point is, there must be one thing, that the cup that you have, there must be self-love of your own, and the cup that they have, there must be self-love of their own. You don't have to feel their deficiency of self-love. Okay, you gotta do you, they gotta do them, and when you are together, just enjoy. And the next thing is your parents. Yeah, this point is very important. That's why I have I am talking about this at the last point of time, because when you have parents and you have dreams too, and the both things are against each other, you gotta learn about manipulation and apply to them. Yes, I'm telling this to you right now. You gotta do things, okay? Because you have your dreams, you're gonna achieve them now. To step forward, to take the first step, you gotta learn about things. Take that their soft spot, use that, and be that good girl, as well as be bold enough to do the thing that you have to do right now. Okay. And the next thing is about relationships. I don't know about that. I have never been into one. Maybe expect one. Yeah, so I don't know about that. If you feel energetic after meeting them, that's good. If you feel drained after every single text or every single call, then they are taking your energy. You gotta save yourself from that. Okay. And if you're a girl especially, you gotta save your energy, because when you are having this nature of love, like you have love naturally, you have sense of caring naturally, but you gotta also learn about how society has injected the sense of care, but at the background, the sense of care is what it's it's not sense of care. It's something like they have to, like, they are making us to work for them, they are making us to take care of them, and they, what are they giving back to us? They are just giving us trauma, they are just giving us stress, they are just using us as stress ATM. Yeah, no, stress bank, where you deposit money, stress bank. And so yeah, you gotta know the difference between these things. One last thing that I want to share with you is always believe in yourself, because if you don't believe in yourself, who is going to believe in you, guys? And I am going to make a super duper great video on manifestation, where I will talk about 3 plane of existence, that is spiritual plane, mental plane and physical plane. And I'm gonna talk about 3D, 4D and 5D. I don't know if I will talk about 5D. Yeah, I will talk about but 3D and 4D. So I will meet you in the another video with the topics just like these, and I hope I somehow add value in your life. If you like my content, you can stick around, and if you don't like, you can just bye bye. But yeah, meet you in another video. Bye bye bye.